We are here in Estonia, in Ahisilla Taluaed, in my farm. Welcome to Climate Farm demo event, which is very closely tied to a very special weekend in Estonia, which happens once a year, and it's Open Farm Weekend.
Today, Kelly and her partner Timo present their farm to visitors. Ahisilla Farm is a diverse family farm with pastured hens, vegetables, cut flowers, and a market garden, built on a circular approach where nothing goes to waste.
So leftovers from our vegetables go to the chickens, and what is left from chickens in the winter time, then we can use to our garden.
One of the farm's key climate-friendly practices is raising laying hens on pasture.
Our pasture management, well known as mob grazing for chickens, is very short time and intensive, and it gives many benefits to the chickens and animal welfare, and also to the pasture itself.
By rotating the hens on pasture, the soil is naturally fertilized and root systems grow deeper, which helps store more carbon and improves water retention during droughts.
So the question of viruses and parasites and other diseases pop up when we talk about free-range chickens.
The farmer's experience shows, with good veterinary support and careful management, pastured hens remain healthy. In their vegetable garden, Kelly and Timo apply the no-dig method, which means you don't turn the soil. Instead, a thick layer of compost is placed on top of the grass or soil, and vegetables are planted directly into it. At Ahisilla Farm, Kelly and Timo use their own compost from chicken manure to build these fertile beds.
There are many reasons that we choose this method. The first thing is the health of the soil, and the other thing is the workload. It needs a really low budget to do this. Basically all you need is a wheelbarrow and a shovel and a rake, and that's it. And the most of investments go into the compost. But if you can produce it yourself, we produce it from our chicken manure and chicken bedding, so this helps a lot with these costs.
This system allows very dense planting, which helps to suppress weeds naturally. Because the soil is never dug over, weed seeds remain buried and less time is needed for weeding.
I would recommend anybody who wants to work in confined spaces. They don't have lots of land, but they want to produce really intensive crops.
In the evening of this demo day, Ahisilla Farm hosted a special event dedicated to food and soil.
Our evening started with a panel discussion. The panelists were ministry officials, 2 farmers, and a really big Estonia restaurateur. The aim was to raise awareness about soil health and its relation to climate resilience, how our everyday choices impact all the environment around us and also the climate.
Climate change can be a difficult topic, as people often feel distant from it or even guilty. By linking the issue to soil and food, it becomes more relatable and easier for people to engage with.
It's very simple to understand. You have to buy local food and support local farmer. Then you support soil and the climate.
I strongly believe that if the people who came here today talking about or thinking about soil, then this is a good start, and this makes me really happy.